Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how I assemble the BotZi robot arm controller board by soldering the components in place. Let's start with the DC-DC converter module that generates the 6 volts. Take a close look at where the in- and in+ markings are located on the module, indicating the direction of the input current. Then find the corresponding in- and in+ pads on the PCB. Place it down as a reference, then turn it around. The main point here is to line up the in- and in+ markings on the board. Once it's in this position, we can solder the small module into place. Make sure to heat up the solder joints thoroughly so they flow and fuse completely if needed. First, solder just a single point to align the module perfectly into place, and then move on to soldering the second point. Once that's done, we can proceed to the third and fourth points. Apply plenty of solder to ensure a strong, solid bond between the contact points. The next component to solder is the lithium battery charging module, which will be located in the bottom left corner. Before soldering it into place, let's create a wire jumper for the BM pad. For this, we can use a clipped lead off of one of our capacitors. Apply a little bit of solder to the BM pad, then place the piece of wire into it and solder them together. The wire needs to fit into the middle hole of the 3 holes located at the end of the charging module. Solder this connection point. Next, solder the connection points on the 4 corners of the module to establish the connection between the module and the PCB pads. Finally, clip off the excess wire.